Welcome to the best picks. The best DC9098 replacement battery is probably one of the most crucial components for any power tool user, as it directly impacts the tool's performance and longevity. A reliable battery ensures that your tools are always ready for action, providing consistent power and extending the lifespan of your equipment. Choosing the right replacement can make a significant difference in your work. Number 5. Powerextra 18V Replacement Battery for Dewalt Cordless Tools. Introducing the Powerextra 18V Replacement Battery, designed for your Dewalt cordless tools. This battery offers a reliable power source to keep your tools running smoothly. This NMH battery operates at 18V and boasts a high capacity of 4,500 mAh. It provides long-lasting performance, allowing you to work longer without interruptions. It is compatible with a wide range of Dewalt 18V cordless tools. This ensures that it will fit seamlessly into your existing tool collection. Built with top-grade NMH battery cells, it includes built-in protection against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This ensures safe and stable operation. The upgraded 4,500 mAh capacity provides extended runtimes. This allows you to tackle more projects without needing to constantly recharge. For optimal performance, store it in a clean, dry, and cool place, away from heat and metal objects. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like. This battery boasts a high 4,500 mAh capacity, ensuring long-lasting performance for your tools. It's also widely compatible with various Dewalt 18V tools. If you're looking for a reliable battery that keeps your tools running longer, you should consider this one. What people say. They did charge and top off at 21V, outstanding, Check 24 hours later and still holding at 20 volts. Remove and slide back in well, lock in well, hold a good charge. Number 4. OHYES 18V 4,500 mAh Replacement Battery for Dewalt. Introducing the OHYES Replacement Battery, designed for your 18V Dewalt tools. This is a high-capacity battery that will help you get the job done. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dewalt 18V tools, including DC9096 and DW9098. It offers a 4,500 mAh capacity, providing longer run times. Compared to standard NICD batteries, this upgraded battery is lighter and more powerful. You'll experience increased efficiency and extended use. The package includes two 4.5Ah replacement batteries and a user manual. It's everything you need to power your tools effectively. Enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month quality guarantee. If you have any questions, our customer service is available 24 hours a day to assist you. What we like. With its upgraded 4,500 mAh capacity, this battery offers more power and efficiency. The 2-pack ensures you always have a spare ready to go. If you value convenience and want peace of mind with a warranty, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Popped right in and works great. Worked great, arrived fully charged. Queda perfecto en mi taladro Dewalt XRP hasta el momento tiene buena duración la carga completa y ofrece una potencia igual o similar al que ofrece la batería original y veremos con el tiempo como sigue su rendimiento pero por el momento es muy bueno. Number 3. Energup 2-pack 18V Replacement Battery and Charger. Introducing the Energup 2-pack 18V Replacement Battery and Charger. This set is designed to keep your tools powered up and ready to go. It's a reliable solution for your power tool needs. The package includes two replacement 18V batteries and a DC9310 charger. This gives you everything you need to keep your tools running. It's a convenient and complete package. These batteries are fully compatible with a range of 18V Dewalt cordless power tools. This ensures that it will work with many of your existing tools. It's designed for your convenience. The batteries offer high capacity for extended run times. They also improve battery life. This means more work time and less downtime for you. The built-in LED indicator communicates the battery charge status. It also has protection against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This ensures the safety of the product. The DC9310 charger charges all Dewalt 7.2V 18V NICD NMH batteries. You only need one charger for multiple cordless products. It is a versatile and practical solution. Enjoy a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Customer support is available 24/7 to assist you. We are here to help you. What we like. This product comes with not only the batteries but also a charger, offering a complete power solution. The high capacity ensures extended run times. If you need a complete package with a charger and long-lasting power, you should consider it. What people say. The battery packs fit absolutely perfectly on my DC70 drill, seamlessly exactly like the originals. The charger also works well, charging the packs up from almost fully discharged in about an hour. They take and hold a charge just as I expected them to, and they deliver a lot of power. Number 2. FirstPower 4.5 Ah 18V DC9096 battery. This battery is designed to work with your 18V Dewalt tools. It's a reliable replacement, ensuring your tools stay powered when you need them. This battery uses NMH technology and provides a high 4,500 mAh capacity. This means it offers extended runtimes, allowing you to work longer on a single charge. It's compatible with a wide range of 18V Dewalt tools and chargers. This makes it a versatile choice for your existing power tool collection. The upgraded capacity provides longer running time and improved performance. You can charge and discharge it as needed without losing capacity, extending its lifespan. It features top-grade NMH battery cells and built-in protection. This ensures safety against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, giving you peace of mind. Store it in a cool, dry place away from metal objects. Remember to cool it down before recharging or using it. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This battery features a 4,500 mAh capacity, providing extended run times for your tools. It also prioritizes safety with built-in protection. If you're looking for a battery that offers both power and safety, you should consider this one. What people say. These batteries have the old tools working like new. These new ones work flawlessly and charge on old Dewalt charger. They hold a charge and run well. Number 1. Forrat 18V Replacement Battery 2-Pack. Introducing the Forrat 18V Replacement Battery, a reliable power source for your tools. This 2-pack ensures you always have a spare, ready to go when you need it. With a 3.6 Ah capacity, this battery provides extended runtimes. It's designed to keep your tools running longer, allowing you to complete your tasks efficiently. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dewalt 18V tools and chargers. It's a direct replacement for various models, ensuring seamless integration with your existing equipment. The Forrat battery offers long-lasting performance, thanks to its high-quality NMH cells. It delivers more power and extends the life of your tools, enhancing your overall experience. Built with multiple intelligent protection features, this battery ensures safe and reliable operation. It has no memory effect and a steady voltage circuit, contributing to a longer lifespan. To maintain optimal performance, it's recommended to use the battery every 2 to 3 weeks. This helps prevent dormancy and ensures it's ready whenever you need it. What we like. This battery offers a 3,600 mAh capacity, providing a good balance of power and performance. It's compatible with a wide range of Dewalt 18V tools. If you're looking for a reliable battery with a good capacity, you should consider it. What people say. They fit the tools. They fit my chargers. They provide adequate power output. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.